Describe frame spoofing in wireless networking. Frame spoofing is a type of wireless network attack in which an attacker forges or falsifies a data frame to gain unauthorized access to a network or to disrupt its normal operations. In wireless networking, data is transmitted in the form of frames. A frame contains a header that identifies the source and destination of the data, as well as the type of data being transmitted. In a frame spoofing attack, an attacker sends a frame that appears to come from a legitimate source, but actually originates from the attacker's device. This attack can be used to achieve a variety of malicious goals, such as stealing sensitive information, modifying or deleting data, or disrupting network operations. For example, an attacker could spoof a frame to gain access to a secure network or to impersonate a legitimate user to gain access to sensitive information. To prevent frame spoofing, wireless networks often use security measures such as encryption and authentication protocols. For example, the Wi-Fi Protected Access 2 (WPA2) protocol uses an encryption key to protect data frames from unauthorized access. In addition, network administrators can monitor network traffic for unusual or suspicious activity and take steps to block any attempts at frame spoofing.